In this video, we'll be showing you how to open the coconut and extract the flesh from it to make the coconut milk. Now you're going to use a dull side of a cleaver, and we use a hammer back home, but here it's easier to access the cleaver. So you hold the coconut strongly in your hands, the palm of your hands, and then you knock and knock and knock until you crack the coconut open. Of course, you're going to have the juice there. You're going to have a container to collect that juice if you want to drink it. And first you have to check the coconut to make sure that the color is not turned to green or the water is not stale tasting or rancid, as we say back home. Then you want to get a knife, and you're going to find a little part in the coconut where the flesh and the hard shell meets, and you're going to gently, like you see him doing there, you're going to gently rock that knife in between the flesh and the hard shell, and just gently rock back and forth with your hand, and that's how you get the flesh from the hard shell. Look out for the next video demonstrating step by step how to extract the coconut milk. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.